What are planets? What is a planet? Not all scientists agree on the definition of a planet, but many follow three rules. Rule 1. A planet is an object in space that orbits or travels around a star. Rule 2. A planet must be nearly round. Rule 3. A planet cannot share its orbit with a smaller object. Following those rules, there are 8 planets that orbit our Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There is only one star in our solar system. We call it the Sun. Rocky planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the terrestrial planets in our solar system. They have solid rocky outer layers and metal inner layers. Terrestrial planets are also called rocky planets. Giant planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are giant planets. Jupiter and Saturn are gas giants. They are mostly made up of gases. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Its famous Great Red Spot is a storm that rotates counterclockwise. If you look through a telescope at Saturn, you can see its rings. The rings are made up of ice and rock. Uranus and Neptune are ice giants. Their surfaces are mostly ice. Of all the planets, Uranus gets the coldest, even though Neptune is the farthest from the Sun. Dwarf planets. Beyond Neptune is the Kuiper Belt, home to several dwarf planets. Unlike a planet, a dwarf planet shares its orbit with smaller objects. The Kuiper Belt is filled with icy objects left over from when the solar system was formed. Some scientists believe there are at least 100 more dwarf planets in our solar system, and thousands more beyond the Kuiper Belt. Pluto was once known as our 9th planet. In 2006, Pluto was grouped with other dwarf planets. That's because it shares its orbit with smaller objects in the Kuiper Belt. Exoplanets. An exoplanet is a planet that orbits a star outside our solar system. Scientists have confirmed more than 3,000 exoplanets using land and space-based telescopes. Kepler 186f, an Earth-sized exoplanet. The Kepler Observatory is a space-based telescope. With information gathered by Kepler, scientists were excited to discover an Earth-size exoplanet that could support surface water. They named the planet Kepler 186f. Kepler Observatory. Kepler and other space telescopes continue to help us explore the possibility of life beyond our solar system. Glossary. Kuiper Belt. Kuiper Belt. An area in space beyond Neptune that is home to icy objects such as dwarf planets and comets. Orbits or bits.